Hello everyone, welcome back to our AlphaTech YouTube channel. Today we are going to be discussing about fixing this generic font error. So we are going to be fixing this error, unexpected missing generic font family. Font family, no missing generic family keyword. So this error is because we set up linters in our file, in our code base. And yesterday we discussed about how to fix linters. So if you want to know more about that, how to set up linters and how to use it in your code in microverse. So I talked about it yesterday, so I will put the link in this video so that you can also watch it. So tonight we are going to be fixing this error. So what causes this error? Now let's go to my VS Code. So this is my VS Code. In my VS Code, I can see this is our last yesterday's class. What we did yesterday, fixing the error, like indentation error. We fixed that. Go and check the video if you want to learn how to fix that. Today, the reason we have this error is because we are using a generic font family. So like for example, I can use fonts family and I'm using Poppy. So this is a font family you can get from Google Fonts. So let me I'm going to import it from Google Fonts. And how can I do that? So you go to Google Fonts. This is Google Font, and actually before I have already used this poppins before, so I have it here. But if you don't have it, you can search for it. You can search for it here, poppins, and you can even use. I can see this is poppins, and you click on it and you choose the. Okay, let me click on it for example to show you. So I've clicked on poppins, and it's going to bring out different styles for poppins. Let me scroll down. So I can see we have thin. This is underline italic. So you can choose anyone. So you can select. So select. So you can select anyone. So for this sake tutorial, I want to make it brief. So I already have it, and I can see I also have different font family. So that I have used. So I'm going to be going for this for now. Now I'm going to check where I have the poppins. So for here I have the poppins, and I'm going to copy it. So I want to make sure we have the error before we solve it. So let me copy this, and okay, actually I have put it in my code. So and I need to import it, so that's why I'm here. So I need to import it. So if I want to import it, what I'm going to do is I will come scroll up, and you will see there's a way you can embed this fonts in your code. So you can do that to embed a font, copy the code into the head of your HTML. You can either use the link, like if I'm so you can use this link tag to embed it in your code, or you use the import. For me, I usually use the import, and I don't use one. I only copy it from this art. So this part. So I'll copy it to this part. Now I have copied it, and I'm going to embed it in my VS Code. And how am I going to do that? This is my CSS style sheet, my CSS file. I'm just going to embed it at the top of the code. Now I have done this. I have imported the font into my CSS file, and now I can be able to use this. Now this font family. So let us commit this git. Don't forget, yesterday I taught you how to do git add and git commit at the same time using the logical and these two and. So you can also do it like this: git add, then you have added it to the stage, then you commit it, git commit, and add your commit message, add font family. So I've added this font family. So I want to check if we are going to have this generic error. So I'm going to push to the repo. Go to push, and let us wait for it to push. So good, it has finished pushing, and let's go back to, now let me check, go back our repo and see if we have any error. So I've already created a pull request, so let's check from there if we are going to have, whenever you push to your repo, I can see this dot, it means it is checking. So if it is red, it means you have some linters failing, but if it is green, it means your linters have passed. So let's click on the pull request and let's see what is checking. Yeah, you can see this is checking. Yesterday, if you remember, we did the S-links and the style links. So since we are not doing anything in the S-link today, so it is already green. But I can see this style link is failing. The linter here is failing because that is where we are working on. So let us click on these details and let's see what exactly is causing the error, or what error details we have. Now I can see unexpected missing generic font family. So the error I showed you earlier when we started this, so unexpected, so this is the reason why we have the error. So the reason we have this error is because we are using a generic family without giving it a font stack. We are not giving more stack, so that it is going to, in case if the system does not have this popping, so which fallback font is it going to use. So that is why we have the error. Now to fix it, let us go back to the Google font and see what font stack we can use. Now I can see here we use these font poppings, and if you see here, after the poppings we have another font which is sans serif. So this sans serif is a font stack, like a fallback. If this poppings is not available, so it's going to use this sans serif. So let us implement that in our code now. So implementing that is just simple, and that is what is going to fix the error. So just add sans serif. Now I've added the sans serif. Now let us git let me clear. So git add, I'm going to be using the logical hand now, then git commit fix linter errors. So now let me push, git push. So now I'm pushing, let us wait for it. Now it has finished pushing. So let us check again. Let's come back to our pull request, and I can see it has not started loading the linters. I don't know why, but maybe due to network. So let me just click on this and see if the linters are really checking. Good, the linters are checking. Now let us wait for it to finish checking. Let me pause. Good, I can see it has finished checking, and the style length is no more giving us error. Now if we check details, I can see we have no more error. So that is it for this video. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share to your peers. I hope this video is very beneficial, and I will be putting more beneficial videos for you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.